We are at Martin Creek Lake State Park, and as you can see, this is an absolutely gorgeous state park. But something you may not notice at first blush is we are being very cautious. And the reason we're being very cautious is because this park has Argentinian ants. And if you're unfamiliar, those are a highly invasive species of ants. And so when we got here, we could see where the people who had been here before us had treated for the ants. Basic information is if you treat around your trailer, make sure that even like our electric and our water, as it's going in, we've treated around that so that any point that touches the ground is treated, you'll be fine. That you can have a great time and enjoy this park. But you have to be very vigilant, because if you're not, if a branch barely touches the roof of your RV, those ants are going to find a way in. And it made me think about the verse that tells us that we need to take every thought captive. Because God knows that just as these ants, if they can find one crack in our defense, we're going to be overrun with ants. That's their nature. That's what they're going to do. Well, the same thing's true with us. When we let our guard down just once, we have a very real enemy who's going to try and invade our thoughts, invade our hearts, invade our minds, and set up camp there. And very much like these ants, at first blush, all you see is this gorgeous campsite. Well, sometimes that's the way we are in our lives. We put on this facade where everything is fine and good, but at the heart of the matter, there's a problem. And with these ants, the only way to get rid of them is a deep and thorough cleaning. Same thing's true in our lives. We have to let God do a deep and thorough cleaning in our hearts to weed out all of the sins and distractions.